This is a video of a DIY air conditioner. My nephew Jabril suggested that I make a video of my DIY projects, but I'm not the greatest. I'm not a video king like he is, but anyway, here it is. Well, the first thing is you need a cooler, and I used a jigsaw or scrolling saw to cut these holes, hole here and a hole there. And here we have a 3-inch PVC 90-degree elbow. I'm not going to take it out, but because it's so hard to put back in, but there it is, just the bottom view. And the first thing I had to do was, using this drill, I had to drill holes to be able to get the jigsaw blade inside to screw the circles out. Of course, I traced the circles for the fan, which you see here. It's a 9-inch circular fan. Came in this box. The fan goes in, blows the air in, and let me back up. After you cut the holes, you can use a file to smooth down the edges as best you can, and then finish it up with sandpaper. Anyway, the fan goes on top here. Fits nicely. I had to do a few modifications so it can fit. But anyway, you add ice to the cooler, and voila, you have a DIY air conditioner.